If you were to Google the word pyramid, you would be flooded with pictures of the Great Pyramid of Giza, which is in Egypt on the continent of Africa. Today, we have something special. Today, I'll show you a pyramid in the country of Mexico that rivals the Great Pyramid of Giza in many ways. Stay tuned for the Great Pyramid of Cholula. The Great Pyramid of Cholula is actually not only one of the most fascinating structures in Mexico, but in fact, in my opinion, one of the most fascinating structures in the entire world. Let me tell you why this Great Pyramid, with a church built on top of it, is so interesting. First, we all know the Great Pyramid of Giza, the most iconic pyramid on the planet. It's one of the seven wonders of the world, and an amazing achievement of architecture and engineering. But did you know the Great Pyramid of Cholula is actually 4 times larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, and twice the volume? This tremendous structure is often underestimated due to the layers of soil and growth upon it. But make no mistake, this is the largest pyramid in the world that we know of so far.
Hey, lady, it's closed. Let's go to the other way, okay?
Like so many amazing structures around the world, when one group moves out or are pushed out, another group moves in. In this case, the builders of the first pyramid in Cholula were the Toltecs. By the time the Aztecs arrived, they believed a mythological giant must have built it because it was so big. With many of these religious temples, public human sacrifice was part of their multiple purposes. These rituals took place in the center of the pyramid. It's estimated that over 400 human burials have been excavated at the Great Pyramid of Cholula. In 1594, after the conquistadors arrived, they built the church on top of what they thought was a massive hill, not knowing in fact they built the church on the Great Pyramid of Cholula. The truth about all these historical and ancient sites is everything is subject to change. We seem to only know the tip of the iceberg. Every time we put a shovel into the earth, we learn something new. So as far as these magnificent sites are concerned, yesterday's information may not be today's information, and today's information may not be tomorrow's information. So when we talk about the largest, the most grand, the richest, the smallest, the best built, that's all fine until we find a larger, a more grand, one that's richer, a smaller one, or one that's built better. As long as there are people willing to dig deeper and get closer to the truth, exploring these historical sites will continue to be an ever-changing gift. So please, continue to watch the rest of the video and enjoy the sights of the Great Pyramid of Cholula. Also, we filmed a 360 video of a walk through the beautiful church at the top of the pyramid. If you are interested in taking part of that amazing experience, subscribe to Eyes Ears Earth and watch our Mexico playlist. And if you enjoy the content of this video, click the like button. It really helps to get the message out to new viewers so we can all share how beautiful our planet really is.
Se alegran cielito lindo los corazones. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran cielito lindo los corazones.
Thank you so much.
Do you like?
Very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Spanish. Buen día, igualmente.
Change.
Thank you very much.
Cholula les da la bienvenida.
Welcome to Cholula.
Yeah, I don't think we have a 20. We put a 50 in.
I don't probably 15.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Where's your name?